Hello, class, and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about how to do MLA format with using a Word document. So the first thing we need in an MLA format is our header. So how we insert a header is we go to Insert on our Word document, Insert, and you're not going to be pushing on header. You will not be picking header. Instead, you'll be picking page number. So push on page number, and again, click on page number. You want it at the top of the page. Our header goes at the top of the page, so pick top of the page and assign to the right side and push OK. You should then have your number at the top of your page, and remember this number will continue on to the next page. So your next page will be, instead of page 2, then 3, then 4, and so forth. And also with our numbers, we need our last name for our header. So you want to click outside of the gray area and then insert your last name. So Burgess space your number. And then you want to change the font. Make sure your font is following the rest of your essay. So I'm going to choose Times New Roman 12-point black font. Then I need to click out of the header. So we have our line that says the header. I'm clicking outside of the header. And now I will begin my heading. So my heading first is my name, but I need to again make sure I have my correct font, Times New Roman font, 12-point font, and make sure it is black as well. I also need to make sure my essay is double spaced. So you want to go to line spacing here. It'll automatically be on single space. You want to choose 2. So for double space, that means choosing 2. And you will begin with your name for your heading, followed by the name of your teacher. So you'll have Miss Maya, followed by the name of the course. Your course is language 10, or language, and then your grade number, depending what grade you're in. And then the date the assignment is due. So our assignment is going to be due the 28th of March, 2022. Please note the way the date is written. It is day first, followed by the month, and then the year. All right, then we'll push enter again. And now we are wanting our title. So we just push enter one time. We now center our title. Our title does not have anything special done to it. We do not bold it. We do not underline it. We simply just type our title. So again, you're not typing title, but make sure you're typing the name of your title. So for example, suspense story, or maybe become a little bit more creative of the terrors of the night could be a good name for a suspense story. Okay, and then you're entering again, and now you need to move back over to the left-hand side. So make sure you clicked on your left-hand alignment. And then remember, a paragraph always needs to begin with what? An indent. So we want to push the tab button. The tab button will create our indent, and then we can begin writing our paragraph. Okay, and then we're going to write our paragraph for some time. And you're going to be writing. And these are the words you're writing. And you're going to have these 2 lines, or these lines here. So each time you're writing a paragraph, it should follow on to the next line. So this will be all your writing right here. But note the indent is just at the beginning of the first line. So that means when you start a second paragraph, you need to begin with another indent. So begin your second paragraph. Should also begin with a tab right here. And again, the indent is created with a tab button. And make sure with each paragraph you're using an indent because it signals to the reader that a new idea is starting, a new thought is beginning. So make sure you have those indents, otherwise it'll get very confusing to read. But other than that, that is your idea. That is for MLA format. That's all you really need to get started on your essay. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a good rest of your week.